Hi, and welcome to a Penn Publishing Interactive Account Management tutorial. In this video, we will be covering how to find and use your PIN number. So let's get started. First, you will need to go to pennpublishing.com and then log in with your PIN account. Once you have done that, you will arrive at a dashboard that looks something like this. You'll see on the top right, we have a click here for PIN button, so when you click that, you will see your 4-digit PIN number which has been assigned to your account. If you do not like your 4-digit PIN number, you can change it. So on the left-hand side, go over to the green button that says Update. Go ahead and click on that, and you will arrive at a My Details page. Here you can see all of your account information as well as, at the bottom, your 4-digit PIN number. So go ahead and type in a new 4-digit PIN number you'd like to use and update any other account information as need be, and then click Save Changes. You can see changes have saved successfully. One thing you might run into is your changes not saving successfully. This is most likely caused by either a blank field which needs to be filled out or something out of date. The way to fix that is by clicking on the missing field and filling it out. It will tell you in the error message which fields are missing. And now that we have changed our PIN number, we can go back to the dashboard here, and when we click this, you will see that the new PIN number I've typed in has changed. Now finally, what this PIN number is used for is when you call into Penn Publishing Interactive, we will ask you for your PIN number just to verify that you are one of the owners on the account. This will provide your account with an extra level of security. As always, if you have any questions about the services or products we offer, feel free to visit us at pennpublishing.com. You can visit our Facebook and Twitter pages and feel free to leave a like. And finally, if you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to subscribe and learn more about future tutorials and other guides we create. Until next time.